how do there, chums? 'Tis I, Captain of the Stews, and today, chums, I've got a bit of an unboxing video. I've got a gadget off the tinterwebs, and I think this is a pretty cool gadget that I want to share with you guys. Heck yes, and gals, obviously. But anyways, let's do the unboxing. Righto, what is inside of this Amazon package? Let's get it open. Slice that. And I might need both hands for this. Yeah. Once. And it's a box that was inside a box. Yes. Giraffe tools. But what is it? What the fudge is that, Steve? You're probably thinking. This is an electronic tyre pump. It's got some decent weight to it. It's proper sturdy, that. Okay, and all it does is it plugs into your cigarette lighter inside of your car. I don't think anybody uses cigarette lighters anymore, do they? Now everybody's into vaping. So I'm going to plug that in, and then you put that on your tyre, and it auto-inflates it. So, I'm going to be giving that a go in a moment, people. Came with all that packaging. Comes with a lovely little travel case. Nice, well, I say case, it's a pouch. And instruction manual, which I'm probably going to completely ignore and not read and end up blowing my car tyres up. Not like inflating, but kaboom! You know? Maybe I should read it. Right, so step 1, insert the cord into the cigarette lighter. Step 2, remove the dust cap and connect it. Step 3, check the current pressure of the inflatable first. Right, so I'm going to have to check my tyre pressure for my make and model of car. I've got a Ford C-Max. We got that as well. Okay, cool. Inflate there. Lovely jubbly, plus and minus and all that sort of shenanigans. And that's pretty much it, really, isn't it? It says there, car, small SUV, 32 to 40 PSI. Well, that's a big freaking difference. I think mine is a 32, though. Let me check. On the keen-eyed may have noticed that says step 2. There is a step 1. Turn on the car's engine, of course, because you need power. You know what I like about this? I like this carbon fibre inlay. It actually feels like a proper quality piece of kit. I just hope it works. We'll go test it on the car. Okay, the car is on, and it's plugged in. And it's got a retractable lead, which is pretty darn cool. Which is very cool. Awesome. Okay, well that's not good. It's saying that my front tyre is only 15 PSI right now. The reason I got it is I thought it was looking a bit flat. So, I want to... Oh, hold on. Do that to about 30 PSI. Okay. Alright. Go. Whoops. It's loud, very loud. It's fast as well. You know what? I think I'm going to stop this when it's about 30 PSI. Hopefully auto stops. Let's see if it auto stops. Hopefully it will stop at 30 PSI. I think I put it at 30.5, didn't I? Just very nervous. Is it going to turn itself off? It did. That is cool. Right. The rear tyre wasn't so bad. That one was on 22 PSI before I started. This rear tyre was really bad. It was on 12 PSI. Right, chums, well I can unplug this now. Lovely jubbly, and it's got a retractable button on it. See that lock there? You just press that and it auto winds it all back in. Freaking lovely bit of kit. I'll put links to this in the video description if you want to check it out. So on the back there's this little compartment and it's got all different other attachments, so you can inflate all sorts with it. So it might even be good for, like, you know, camping and other inflatables, balls, bike tyres, everything. Okay, chums, well I hope you check out that awesome gadget, that tyre pump. I'll try and find links for UK and US, put it in the video description. But I just found it on Amazon. Great deal! Until next time, goodbye, and goodbye again.